What impressed you the most about our Prophet ﷺ? His characteristics, his way of living, or a memory from our Prophet's life? What is the most impressive thing you think?
Okay, for me, when he was trying to spread Islam to the world, there was no Muslim, right? He was the only Muslim who get the message and who want to spread the Islam, the message of Islam. I feel a little bit similar because I'm in Korea and no one is Muslim. I'm the only Muslim, and I felt that feelings, like how to start with that, like how to deal with that. But our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ didn't give up. I think it's impossible thing, but he did. He spread Islam to the world. And now he started with in the Mecca, Medina. But now, see, like far from place, like in Indonesia, Malaysia, in the west of Africa, everyone believes in Islam. And even in South Korea, I believe in Islam. I think this is the amazing thing. And the Islam is the most fastest growing up religion in the world. So I'm really impressed that his personality and his action, his everything. But I really impressed that he did spread Islam when nobody believes Islam.